Hello, first graders. Today's the day that we get to complete our opinion writing. Our target skill for today is I can write my opinion about a topic and give reasons for my thinking. Let's get started. When you begin to write your opinion piece, we are going to start with an introduction. For example, I think that Vashti is a very creative artist. Did I give my opinion here? I did. I used the words I think. You can also introduce your topic using words like I firmly believe, I strongly believe, in my opinion, from my point of view, or there is no doubt that, and then state your opinion. The next part of our opinion writing will be to introduce our details or tell our reasons and support those reasons with examples from the text. I think that Vashti is a very creative artist. I believe this because she made so many different kinds of dots. For example, she mixed blue and yellow to make a green dot. She even made a dot by not painting a dot. I also think that Vashti is a great artist because many people came to the school art show. Vashti had a lot of paintings in the show and they made a huge splash. I can use these transition words, for example, for instance, as evidence to prove, in support, when I write my examples. And lastly, in your opinion writing, you will write a conclusion. For the reasons above, I think that Vashti is a creative artist. The conclusion is the last sentence of your writing. It restates your opinion. You can also conclude your writing using the words to conclude, for the reasons above, to sum up, without a doubt, or to summarize. These are all ways that you can conclude your opinion writing. All right, boys and girls, now it is your turn. Use the sentences that you planned yesterday and add more details to your sentences. State your opinion, the reasons for that opinion, and then support those reasons with text evidence or examples. You can use this opinion writing checklist to double check your writing once you have finished. My sentences have facts and details. You can use your text to help you here. My writing has a topic sentence, detail sentences, and a closing sentence. I checked that my sentences have capital letters, have punctuation, make sense, and are in my best handwriting. I can't wait to read your opinion pieces. Have fun, super writers!